Welcome to the 5th class units 16 and 17 in the 6th grade, third term. So our first activity to begin this video is about the connecting. Remember, we are going to check the vocabulary about jobs and professions. So, do you want to begin? Let's see by artist, banker, building, carpenter, dentist, doctor, or whatever word that you want to find in the worksheet. Please take some minutes to develop this activity. Very good. In the second part, we have the purpose. First of all, we have the achievement. So let's read. To improve the language learning using plurals, modals, comparatives and superlatives, and affirmative and negative sentences using past simple. Indicators. The student writes corrective sentences developing grammar structures about the topics seen in class. The second indicator is the student comprehends, read, and listen phrasal verbs and idioms expressing common situations that happens in a community. And third one is the student speaks according to plurals, modals, comparatives, and superlatives. Now we can check the introduction of the unit 16. By it, we need to go shopping, so let's remember some vocabulary. For example, number 1, dress, 2, shoe, 3, jeans. Do you want to spell jeans with me? J-E-A-N-S, jeans. 4, jacket. 5, skirt. 6, hat. 7, glasses. 8, trousers. Do you want to spell trousers? T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Number 9, t-shirt, and number 10, shirt. Finally, in the 11th, a watch. In this unit, we have two verbs. We can make a comparison between need and want. Remember, when we use need, it's that it follows one of the two rules. Need plus to and plus a verb. And the second rule could be need plus noun. Let's check some examples. I need a sandwich. In the second example, I need to eat a sandwich. For example, if you feel thirsty, you can say I need a glass of water, or you can say I need to drink a glass of water. And in the final example we have I need a holiday, and in the second part I need to go on holiday. Very good. In the one, you have to express desires. For example, Billy wants pizza. We all want pizza. Second example, everyone wants pizza and people want pizza. Third one, nobody wants pizza. And finally, this museum has pictures, or museums have pictures. Remember the use of need, want, and plurals. Now, I'm going to invite you to solve the following exercise. Your mission is to match sentences from 1 to 4 using A, B, C, or D. Take some minutes to develop this activity. That's right, my friends. Now, I'm going to show you the vocabulary in the unit 17, comparing. Can you check this vocabulary in your house? For example, the first word is house, the second garden, the third one is cat. Now, you can watch in the picture B, the beach and the sea. I'm going to invite you to check the following chart about their most important rules about comparatives and superlatives. For example, when you have to write only one syllable to make a comparison, you have to add, in the case of comparative, an E and an R at the final of the word, and in the case of superlative, you have to say the and at the final of the word add the following letters: est. For example, the adjective is old, comparative older, and superlative oldest. In the case if the adjective with 2 or more syllables, in the case for example of boring, in comparative you have to say more boring, and superlative the most boring. In the case of beautiful, you can say the more beautiful, or in the case of superlative you can say the most beautiful. And in the irregular adjectives, you have to be careful. Why? Because the word change depends on the values of the adjective. For example, if the adjective is good, in comparative you have to say better, and superlative you have to say the best. In the case of bad, in comparative you can say worse, and in superlative is the worst. Let's check a brief example about the comparatives and superlatives. Can you check the crocodile? This is big. The next animal is bigger, and the elephant is the biggest. Finally, we can check the following links to improve our English learning, taking into account the topic seen in this class. That was all. Thank you for watching.